Hey grill enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the sizzling world of barbecue and exploring the top 5 best grills to take your outdoor cooking game to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just starting out, there's a perfect grill out there waiting for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. So, grab your apron and let's get grilling. Starting off our list is the Monument Grill's 4-burner propane gas grill. We love the simplicity and effectiveness of this propane gas grill. Despite its extensive features, 4 burners, push igniter button, and a durable stainless steel finish, it's easy for anyone to use, whether grilling for the first time or as a master chef. The design has a safety-forward approach with a small lid and a good amount of space between you and the cooking surface. It comes with side tables for added storage and a cart-style design that features large wheels to easily push the grill around if needed. In the grilling portion of our tests, we appreciated how responsive the flames were to the temperature knobs and settings, though noted a few small flare-ups when cooking the onions and burgers. The hotter spots on the back of the grill created beautiful sear marks on the steaks we cooked, while the front spots remained somewhat cooler, a good area for indirect heating or warming more delicate foods. Once you've finished your grill session, this machinery is simple to clean when you follow the manufacturer's instructions. The gas grill can be an excellent choice for those who want regular grilled dinners without too much effort, and the Monument Grill serves that aim well. It's a good size for a small gathering or large crowd with simple but effective features that any level chef can use to create a yummy meal. Plus, it's more affordable than most of its direct competition, so you can save time, quick heating, and money with our top gas grill pick. Next up, we have the Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill. A charcoal grill offers the benefit of rich, smoky flavors in your favorite grilled dishes. This deluxe model from Weber is friendly to beginners and experts with easy operation, push-start ignition, simple temperature controls and gauges, and an adjustable damper to ventilate the fire with more oxygen. When searching for the best charcoal grill, you should know they take longer to heat up than their gas counterparts, but the resulting flavors are well worth the wait. While testing this charcoal grill via some sizzling steaks, we loved the smokiness that came from this pick. You can control the smoke via damper placement for added versatility, and saturating the meat with a smoky flavor. We noticed this grill burns through charcoal quickly, so you will have to add more throughout your grilling session, which can be tricky because you can add it through a removable center in the grate. But to arrange the charcoal, you would need to remove the entire grate. Post-grilling, we had no issues cleaning this charcoal grill with warm soapy water and a wire brush to remove residue from the grates. Though not a massive grill, this option would be a good size for a small family who likes smoky and flavorful cuisine. Moving on to our third pick, the Cuisinart Venture Gas Grill. For those who want a simple grill you can take on the go, this portable gas grill from Cuisinart is the perfect travel companion. During testing, we were thrilled with how user-friendly this grill is. It only took 5 minutes to set up and start using. There aren't too many components, only one knob to turn on the ignition and flame control. Plus, the gas hose easily attaches to the propane tank. Note, there isn't an adapter for a propane tank larger than 1 pound. While grilling, we appreciated how well this portable gas grill distributes heat. The perimeter of the grill runs somewhat hotter due to the placement of the air vents. The flames respond quickly to the knob directives, increasing or decreasing immediately without any flare-ups. We cooked an assortment of onions and burgers, and each had nice char marks once grilled. Once our grilling session ended, the grates were also easy to clean with a wire brush. Given its compact design, this is a fabulous portable option if you want the power of a gas grill without the standard size. You can even carry it like a picnic basket for added convenience. The bottom of the grill acts as storage and a cutting board when in use, but it's somewhat tricky to detach. Overall, we believe this model is great for those who might want easy access to grilling without the fuss of a full-size model. Our fourth pick is the PKGo's PKGo Grill Grilling System. For those who like to take grilling into the great outdoors or at least outside the stadium, this we tested portable charcoal grill is the perfect camping or tailgating accessory. Upon arrival, this grill comes almost completely assembled and only requires 1 or 2 steps on your part. Its cast iron design makes this portable charcoal grill durable and sturdy for transport. That said, it's heavy due to the cast iron, so it might require more than 1 set of hands to lift into a car. Everything is compact and stable with this grill, so the parts won't shift when you move it. We found it easy to add charcoal to this portable grill since the internal storage is quite spacious. It's somewhat difficult to set the grates back in once you add the coal, but it does stay in place, even if not locked in. The vents and dampers rotate, and the surface area allows for a surprising amount of food given its compact size. We love the sear marks on the burgers and bratwursts we grilled, as well as a nice golden browning on the corn. There's a noticeable hot spot in the middle of the grill, but the perimeter is great for warming. While the instructions didn't include cleaning information, we found that removing the lid and dumping the ashes was an easy way to start. Then we just sprayed it with soapy water and gave it a good wipe with a damp paper towel. This is an ideal portable charcoal grill if you are driving to a location and then setting up next to your vehicle, otherwise it's kind of heavy to carry long distances. Last but certainly not least, we have the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill. Like Instant Pots, electric grills are machinery of convenience. They won't cook food in the same manner that gas, charcoal, and pellet grills do, but they get the job done with minimal effort. To conduct this test, we used 4 slices of bread, a flank steak, chicken breast, and zucchini to see how the electric grill cooked each type of food. We noticed that the temperature took a while to get to its maximum level, and that large gaps between the grates created some hot and cold spots. In general, this produced little to no smoke, with only some escaping the lid while cooking the steak. We saw light grill marks on the bread, chicken, zucchini, and steak, which had the most prominent of all the foods. But that's expected given the maximum temperature is 450 degrees Fahrenheit. In terms of the design, this electric grill is easy to assemble and clean with a drop catcher to catch any fat and grates you can scrub down after removing the lid. We also like the small window so you can peek at your food while it's cooking without losing heat by lifting the lid. The size also makes this grill easy to move around. If you're looking for an easy and efficient way to grill food in an apartment or somewhere that smoke isn't allowed, an electric grill like this model is a sure bet. And there you have it, our top 5 best grills in 2024. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. So fire it up, get grilling, and enjoy the mouth-watering flavors of summer. Until next time, happy grilling.